remarkable as it may seem, this small island was once an active volcano from the deepest depth of the ocean. Through years and years, sculpting and remodeling by nature came to be. These coral reefs have been around for more than millions of years. They are the most diverse ecosystem on this planet, teeming with life. They're home to organisms of all shapes and sizes. Colorful fishes carry out their day-to-day life beneath the isles. Sea cucumber are echinoderms and found on the seafloor. The black tentacles surrounded in the mouth, which they use it for anchoring on the rocks and for crawling in the seabed. The 2 feet are present in the absence of arms. The skin of sea cucumber is leathery and the bodies are elongated, containing a single branched gonad. Sea cucumbers are scavengers that feed on small food items in the benthic zone as well as plankton floating in the water column. Algae, aquatic invertebrates, and waste particles make up their diet. They play a major role in keeping their reef clean. They can be seen day and night throughout the reef. Sessile bivalves, mollusks, that live in the tropical waters are mostly embedded into the coral reefs or rocky reefs. However, some can be found on the sandy or reef bottoms, growing freely. The unique feeding mechanisms uses 2 openings called siphons, which takes in water through a sieve extracting the plankton, then the water is ejected out through the exudent siphon. The largest known specimen was measured 130 centimeter wide, that is 4 feet 6 inches, which was discovered around 1817 in Indonesia, weighing over 250 kg, and these giant clams are of rare spectacles nowadays. Shadowing the clams may occur by a wide number of vivid fishes. One fish in specific that is adored by the people is powder blue surgeon. They can be seen in schools or in small groups, grazing algae off the bottom. Most species are readily identified by their color and shape, but few large shell species are similar and may differ in minor, less obvious details. Emperors can be seen with other schools of fishes, such as the bannerfish and the forktail fish. They occur in pairs and found in algae-rich reefs. Shockingly, these unsuspecting creatures have venomous spines in their anal fins as well as both ends of the ventral fin, capable of inflicting extreme pain. Out of the 65 species, 9 of the race can be seen here in Maldives. Feeding in the bottom with other fish such as parrotfish. They are found in shallow protected reef flats and drop-offs. The big teeth of the parrotfish are fused into powerful beaks, which they use to eat polyps in coral reefs as well as algae, seagrass or other vegetations. And as like the most fishes, parrotfish are hermaphrodites. Some of the other fish present in the reefs are bufferfish. Interestingly, the bufferfish is capable of inflating themselves into a balloon-like shape by taking a gulps of water when they are threatened. Their diet consists of a variety of invertebrates, algae, and crustaceans. Around the outskirts of reefs, rainbow runner and trevally hunt for food. The curious clown triggerfish have a very distinct pattern which can be observed closely. However, the peacock, rock cod, or groupers are much more reclusive. Unlike the crescent-tailed big eye, known for their large eyes and silvery pink to red color. Pecking at the reef is Moorish idol, which is easily misidentified as a butterfly fish. The double-saddled butterfly fish present in pair and feed on various invertebrates as well as anemone and coral polyps. As all of the species at the reef are highly adapted depending on their shelter, feeding habits and their survival. The clownfish makes their home within the stinging tentacles of the sea anemone. The anemone provides safer area even for their inhabitants, while the clownfish cleans and provides an occasional meal. The sea anemone described as enlarged polyps. They have identical physical characteristics as the coral polyps. Identified as cnidarians, they have the central mouth surrounded by tentacles. These tentacles have a special weapon called nematosis, which they use as a harpoon to capture and paralyze a prey. Sharing this garden of the sea, all the organisms have their own role maintaining these fragile ecosystems. The mesmerizing wonders of these isles are infinite.